so their 24 years today, by parents in North Vancouver who wanted to teach their children our Filipino culture through music and dance, wearing the many Filipino cultural costumes and fashion. The parents started learning Filipino cultural dances with their children, and before you knew it, they were performing in theaters and in community events, especially street dancing and Carnival Day parades. So it has evolved over the years and now includes adult ballroom and line dancing classes with Mr. Jun Cotin as the dance instructor. Today, they are performing a contemporary dance with ladies wearing our elegant Maria Clara dress, also known as Traje de Mestiza, and the gentleman in the famous Barong Tagalog, dancing to the original tune composed especially for this group. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the North Shore Cultura Filipino dancers.
Pag